How to download Adobe Lightroom for free on PC. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to download Lightroom for free, you can follow up the steps. So for that, you can go ahead and open up your preferred browser and type in Lightroom download, and you should be finding these results. Now you can use any of the method, but one of the most easiest is using Microsoft Store. So you can head over to Microsoft Store, and after you head over there, you should be finding this download option on your screen. All you gotta do is hit this download, go ahead and click on it, and when you go ahead and click on it, it will start downloading. You can go to your browser at the top in download section, and you should be finding download. So after it is downloaded, all you gotta do is open it up from your file manager, and then just go ahead and install it and set it up, and you can go ahead and use it. So that's it for now. That is how you download Adobe Lightroom for free on PC. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.